Hello everyone, welcome to CloudMass. So today we will learn how to install AWS command line interface on your system. I am having Mac OS, so I will show you how to install AWS key using Mac OS. You can easily install it on Windows or Linux. Just type on Google install AWS CLI, and after AWS CLI you can type your operating system, whether it is Windows or Linux. So open the first link, it will pop out this particular page. So here you can scroll down. As you can see, you have three options available here: Linux, macOS or Windows. I have macOS, so I will try to download AWS CLI command line interface using macOS instructions. In short, command line interface is called CLI. So let's copy it, open your terminal, paste, follow on with the instructions, paste. So it is installing AWS command line interface version 2 here. So it is installed. You can check by which AWS. So it is using this particular AWS. So you can check your particular AWS version. Okay, in my case this one is not working, I don't know why. So AWS help. So yeah, this one works. So by using help command you can find various help topics. So here actually I have just executed it to show that AWS is currently working. So please install AWS command line interface in your system. We will be using it in our upcoming projects. So thank you. By the way, that AWS version command works after some time. So here if you type it again, it is working. So it takes some time for the installations to properly work. So yeah, bye.